Hey y'all! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing home organization hacks that will transform your space. Just like when we tidy up our belongings, creating a serene and functional home brings a sense of joy and calm. I'm so excited to share these tips with you, so let's get started. Have you ever struggled to find something in your drawers or on your shelves? It can feel overwhelming, like you're searching for a lost treasure. But don't worry, clear storage bins are here to bring peace and visibility to your belongings. Imagine opening a drawer and instantly seeing everything inside, neatly organized and ready to spark joy. That's the magic of clear storage bins. These versatile organizers allow you to see exactly what you have, eliminating the frustration of rummaging and forgetting what's hidden away. Whether you're organizing your pantry, bathroom, or bedroom, clear storage bins are your secret weapon to conquer clutter and create a sense of calm. Choose different sizes to accommodate various items and group similar things together for easy access. Remember, a tidy home starts with a tidy mind, and clear storage bins help you achieve both. Labels, my friends, are more than just stickers. They are tiny ambassadors of order, guiding you and your family to the designated home for each and every item. Just like a warm embrace, labels bring a sense of belonging to your belongings. Consider a drawer filled with neatly folded clothes. Now imagine adding labels that clearly identify each category: t-shirts, socks, activewear. Doesn't it spark a feeling of calm and control? Labels eliminate guesswork and make it effortless to maintain order. But the magic of labels extends beyond just you. When everyone in your household can easily identify where things belong, tidying up becomes a shared responsibility. Encourage your loved ones to embrace the power of labels and witness the transformative effect it has on your home. Our homes are filled with untapped potential, especially when it comes to vertical space. Just like a skyscraper reaching for the sky, utilizing shelves and hooks can elevate your storage solutions to new heights. Imagine walls adorned with sleek shelves, showcasing your favorite books, plants, and decorative items. Not only does this create visual interest, but it also frees up valuable floor and counter space. Hooks are another fantastic way to maximize vertical storage, providing a designated home for coats, bags, and accessories. By embracing the vertical, you create a sense of openness and airiness in your home. It's like inviting a breath of fresh air into your space, allowing energy to flow freely. So let your belongings soar to new heights and witness the transformative power of vertical organization. In the bustling heart of every organized home lies a command center, a dedicated space where daily essentials converge in perfect harmony. This is where keys, mail, schedules, and important documents find their designated home, eliminating the chaos of misplaced items. Picture this. You walk through the door after a long day, and instead of tossing your keys on the counter or letting mail pile up on the table, you're greeted by your trusty command center. Keys hang neatly on hooks, mail finds its way into designated slots, and a calendar keeps everyone's schedules in sync. Creating a command center doesn't require a complete home renovation. A simple wall-mounted organizer, a repurposed tray, or even a designated drawer can serve as the central hub for your daily essentials. The key is to choose a location that is easily accessible and visible to everyone in your household. Just as we take time to nurture our minds and bodies, our homes also deserve regular attention and care. Decluttering is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey of letting go of what no longer serves us and creating space for what sparks joy. Imagine a gentle breeze flowing through your home, carrying away clutter and leaving behind a sense of lightness and tranquility. That's the feeling of regular decluttering. Set aside a specific time each week or month to go through your belongings, asking yourself if each item sparks joy or serves a purpose. If the answer is no, it's time to let go with gratitude. Donate, sell, or discard items that no longer bring you joy, creating space for new possibilities and experiences. Remember, decluttering is not about deprivation, but about creating a home that truly reflects who you are and what you value. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization ideas. Remember, Creating a tidy and organized home is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, find joy in the details, and create a space that truly reflects who you are. See you next time.